Hi, Bright Kids. Today we're floating into the world of the unbelievable letter U. What makes U so unique? It's the first sound in umbrella and unicorn, and even in the word up. Can you say that sound with me? Let's try. U! This is episode 21 of our alphabet learning series, and today we'll explore the sound of U and learn some very useful and unusual U words. Before we float any higher, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Bright Kids Academy, and stay with us as we go all the way from A to Z. This is the letter U. It's soft, it's round, and it's unlike any other letter. And guess what sound it makes? Let's listen together. Ooh, ooh. Can you say it with me? Ooh, like an umbrella or up. Let's try it slowly first. Ooh, now a little faster. Ooh, 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 great job. Look who's here. It's a unicorn, a magical creature with a shining horn. And guess what? Unicorn starts with the letter U. Let's say it together. Unicorn. One more time, nice and slow. Unicorn. Can you feel that soft U sound at the beginning? Wave your hands like a unicorn's sparkle trail and say it loud. U is for unicorn. Oh no, it's raining, but don't worry. Here comes our trusty umbrella. Umbrella starts with the letter U. Ooh, umbrella. Can you say it with me? Umbrella. Let's pretend we're holding one. Put your hands up like a handle and say it loud. U is for umbrella. Look, everything is going up. The word up starts with the letter U, and it's all about rising high into the sky. Can you stretch your arms high above your head? Reach really tall, just like things going up. Say it with me now. Up. And one more time. Up. Great job. U is for up. It's time for a letter U hunt. I need your help to find which of these things start with the letter U. Listen carefully, kids, and shout yes if it starts with U, or say no if it doesn't. Ready? Here's an umbrella. Does umbrella start with U? Yes, great job. Umbrella starts with U. Now I see a unicorn on the shelf. Does unicorn start with the letter U? What do you think? Yes, you got it. Unicorn starts with U. Here's a cuddly bear. Does the bear start with U? Say it out loud. Bear. Nope. Bear starts with B, not U. Oh, a balloon with the word up on it. Does up start with U? Yes, up begins with U, just like you said earlier. Great job. You did an unbelievable job spotting the U words. Let's clap for the words that start with U: umbrella, unicorn, and up. You did it, Bright Kids. You learned all about the unbelievable letter U. Let's remember all the U words we explored today. We met a magical unicorn, stayed dry with an umbrella, reached high with the word up, and played a fun U hunt game to test what starts with U. They all begin with the sound ooh, just like the letter U we practiced together. Let's say them together one more time. U is for unicorn, umbrella, and up. You did such an unbelievable job learning all about the letter U today. You said the sound found U words and even helped in our big U hunt. From unicorns to umbrellas and everything going up. You now know what makes the letter U so unique. If you had fun today, be sure to like this video, subscribe to Bright Kids Academy, and tap the bell so you can learn every amazing letter from A to Z. And guess what's next? We're going to visit a very vibrant letter. It loves violins, volcanoes, and vegetables too. Can you guess what it is?